Welcome back to the Blue Garage, guys. We got the ZR2 today, and we are going to do a major visual upgrade on this truck. I'm really looking forward to this one. It's something that I've yet to see on YouTube, so let's get to it. £4 difference. To compare the interior. It's awesome. All right, you guys get to see it next. All right, so got this massive box in here. Mobb Motorsports, MOBB Motorsports, sent out this amazing hood. I looked everywhere. Whenever you're looking for hoods for these trucks, the most common ones that you find are fiberglass, and they have the ram air hood, and I wanted a different look than that. We are going with the carbon fiber ventilated hood. Let's see, I'm gonna try and pull it out for you guys. Like I said, two functions of this hood. One is lightweight, so let's get an accurate weight on that. The way I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna weigh myself, scale right in front of me, then I'm gonna hold the hood. 156.2, jacked. Now I have to awkwardly pick this thing up and weigh myself. $188 even, not much more than the wheel we weighed last week, which is about 27 pounds. So this is about 32, I think what, 31.8 if we do the math. One last look of the truck front on before we change it forever. It's gonna look drastically different than what it does right now. So what we're gonna need to do is take off the struts on either side of the hood, and then two 13mm bolts on either side. Gonna have to be very careful here because we do have our brackets and our lights. Don't want to scratch up our fenders in the process, so it's going to be a very methodical process so we don't ruin the truck. Cool. All right, I weighed 156.2 a little bit ago. It is 88 degrees in Yuma, Arizona at 9 a.m. Let's see if I lost any weight because of sweat. I gained weight. 0.6 pounds. 156.8. I'm gonna write that on the board. Then we're gonna weigh the old hood. 192.6.
So give me like your thoughts and comparisons about the old hood and the new hood, other than visually.
I mean, you wouldn't think the weight would be that close, to be honest. I mean, it's, let's see, what did I say, 192.6? Let's figure it out right now. 192.6. So you're talking about £4 difference. Hey, weight reduction, guys. We're saving somewhere.
But also visually.
Yeah, visually, I mean, if you look at them, it's insane. It's not even comparison. That looks so flat and so small, and then this is just like, whoo. Aggressive. Aggressive is the term I want to use, just because not only does it have the cowl look to it where it's bigger up in the center and out the back, but then you have the vent here, which kind of gives it another dimension. It just looks super aggressive. Can't wait to throw it on here in a minute. And I mean, the truck's not going to look anything like it did before. Guys, these are brand new glossy 6.2 liter hood emblems that are made for the stock hood that I'm going to be giving away. The way you enter this, and the way I know that you're done, is you're going to type in 1, 2, 3 done down in the comments section once you complete these 3 things. You got to watch the video, you got to like the video, then you have to share it with 3 people. Watch, like, share with 3 people. 1, 2, 3 done. Once you do all 3 of those things, the winner, randomly selected, will get their glossy black 6.2 liter emblems shipped to them for free. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll let you go first. Okay. Make sure it fits. A few things we gotta look for now as we do the first test fit is when we close it, that's not gonna hit that bracket over there, and then this isn't gonna hit the fender. So third thing is that it's aligned and not gonna. I really do think we're good. Damn, from the side, dude, it looks nuts. I mean, the whole thing just looks nuts. But
What are you doing right here?
so I'm just taking off this little protective piece that they shipped the hood with. Basically protects the hood latch. 2 little screws, nothing major. How our lines look, what I'm looking, making sure our lines even the whole way around the hood for spacing. I'm not rubbing with my brackets on my fender because man, it sucks. I'm just making sure going around before I latch it all the way down that everything looks good, looks right. We're good here. Close it for the first time. Oh boy. Dude, look at the glare from the sun on that. That looks awesome. You can really see the carbon fiber. It does sit up a lot taller, but I mean, it gives it the exact look I was going for. Wonder if it's I'm gonna need a booster seat to see over that thing. I don't know. Looks awesome. All right, you guys get to see it next. It's awesome. Not too many Silverados out there with carbon fiber hoods, so normally you see the Tundras, the Tacomas, Camaros, Mustangs, so it's kind of cool to join that crowd. Looks awesome. Now we are going to compare the interior look of the hood compared to the old. First impressions, it is much higher. I would say probably 3 inches taller. It looks good, guys. I really like the look. Looks aggressive, especially from the outside. It just drastically different. That carbon fiber look just looks so awesome. This is what I see. So good 6 inches above the dashboard, probably 3 inches higher than where the stock hood sat. Overall, happy camper. Isn't that nuts? It's like staring into a big black void, which is huge. Greatest hood America has ever known.
You're driving it now. What are you feeling?
I feel like the truck is lighter, 4 pounds lighter. No, it just looks cool, guys. I mean, obviously you're not going to notice a weight difference when you're driving a vehicle. I think it looks amazing. It looks aggressive. It obviously sits up, like I said, 3 to 4 inches higher than the stock hood did. Right now I'm just checking to see if there's any like vibrations. I'm driving, 32 miles per hour, 35 miles per hour, just to see. Doesn't appear to be any vibrations, anything that isn't seated properly. But yeah, I'm happy with it. It looks great, guys. That's a wrap. Another awesome install, guys. I thought it was going to be harder than it was. Having another set of hands. Daniel, thank you for helping me out. Made it 10 times easier. We got it on the first try. I thought we were going to have to bolt it on, do a test fit, adjust, bolt it on, over and over and over again. We got it on the first try, so we were very lucky. It was a lot easier than I ever expected. Mobb Motorsports, guys, links will be down below. I don't have a discount code for you, unfortunately. Got to pay full price because these things are worth it. I mean, it looks incredible. Couldn't be happier. Makes the truck look so much more aggressive. Slight weight reduction, 4 pounds, as I said, so almost irrelevant, but love the look. Makes it look aggressive. It has that carbon fiber look, obviously, too, to make it just stand out and pop. When that sun hits it, out here in this Arizona sun, it looks better than ever. So another video done, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget, for 1, 2, 3, right? Post that down below. 1, 2, 3 done. You watched the video, you liked the video, and you shared it with 3 friends, and you'll be entered to win those 6.2 gloss black emblems for your hood. See you guys next time.